Students, now let us start with question number 7. It says, a solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. बेटा ये बोला हुआ है कि एक कोन जो हेमिस्फीयर के ऊपर है इसको एक सिलेंडर के अंदर ऐसे रख दिया गया दैट दिस इज टचिंग द बॉटम ऑफ द सिलेंडर. तो अगर सिलेंडर में पानी था तो ये रखने के बाद कितना पानी रह गया, बिकॉज वाटर बाहर गिर गया होगा तो रह कितना गया. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर लेफ्ट विल बी इक्वल टू volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. So let us first write the dimensions. Now for cylinder R is equal to 60 centimeter and H is equal H1 कर देते हैं. H1 is equal to 180 centimeter. For hemisphere R is equal to 60 centimeter and now for cone R is equal to 60 and H2 height is equal to 120 centimeter. मैंने तीनों जगह R लिखा है, R1, R2, R3 नहीं लिखा बिकॉज रेडियस इज सेम एवरीवेयर. So now volume of water left is equal to volume of cylinder minus bracket start volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Now this gives us volume of cylinder means pi r square h minus bracket में pi 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h. इसको h2 कर देते हैं और इसको हमने h1 लिया था. Now taking pi common and pi r square common. So this is h1 minus 2 by 3 r minus ये minus plus यहाँ minus हो जाएगा 1 by 3 h2. Now putting all the values 22 by 7 into 60 into 60 3600 into h1 means 180 minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 60 minus 1 by 3 into 120. Now ये 3 और 60 कैंसिल हो जाता है, 20 आया, 3 और 120 कैंसिल हो जाता है 40. So now it is equal to 22 by 7 into 3600 ब्रैकेट में 180 माइनस ये हो गया 40 और माइनस 40 माइनस 80. सो नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू 22 by 7 into 3600 into 100. This gives us 79200. Now this gives us 1131428.571 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of water left in the cylinder. Now let us do question number 8. It says a spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurement and pi is equal to 3.14. बेटा ये वेसल है cylindrical and lower side is spherical. So a child took water out of it and measured it. The volume of water came to be 345 centimeter cube. And also inner dimensions are given. We have to check by finding the volume through inner dimension whether the volume of water is same as the volume of vessel. Now for sphere, R is equal to 8.5 by 2 because it is given that diameter is 8.5. And for cylinder, R is equal to 2 by 1, that is 1 centimeter, and H is equal to 8 centimeter. Now let us find the volume of the vessel. Now we will write volume of vessel. Volume of vessel is equal to volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. Now this is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r. बेटा यहाँ r और r इसको r dash कर लेते हैं because radius are different. R dash square h. Now we can take pi common. 4 by 3 r cube plus r dash square h. Now this is equal to 3.14 into 4 by 3 into r cube means 8.5 का क्यूब बाय 2 का क्यूब. मैं इसको 8 कर रही हूँ बेटा. 8.5 का क्यूब बाय 2 का क्यूब मैंने लिख दिया 8 प्लस r1 स्क्वायर मीन्स 1 स्क्वायर इंटू h इज 8. नाउ ये 4 2 जा 8 हो गया. नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू 3.14 इंटू 8.5 का क्यूब हमारे पास आएगा. डिनोमिनेटर में 6 आ गया और 8.5 का क्यूब हो गया 614.125. नाउ प्लस 8. दिस इज इक्वल टू 3.14 इंटू 6 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे. 6 1 जा 6 0 6 2 जा 12 20 हो गया 21 हो गया 102.354. 3 places the plus 8. So this gives us 3.14 into 110.354 और इसको हम जब 3.14 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे we get this as 346.5. But the volume of water was given to be 345. So the child is wrong by 1.5 centimeter cube. So you will write volume of water. यहाँ पर आप ब्रैकेट में 345 लिखोगे. Centimeter cube is approximately equal to volume of vessel. But exactly it is not equal. Approximately equal.